Hello everyone, and is your Elementor editor stuck on that never ending loading screen? Do not worry, I will show you exactly how to fix it fast. But before we start, make sure to subscribe and hit bell icon so you never miss quick WordPress fixes like this one. So let's get started. At here you can see this loading issue is coming. At here you can see loading issue is coming. So at here you can see admin ajax giving 500 error, so and it is giving internal error. So for that you have to fix internal error, admin ajax internal error at here. So for that first go to wp config file, and wp config file is basically on the root folder. So just click on wp-config.php, and inside that enable wp debug as true, and wp debug log as true. Now check again, so that it will generate debug.log file inside Elementor file, main folder, inside wp content folder. So now you can see any fatal error. So at here we are seeing fatal error, uncaught error, class Elementor core schema color not found in plugin wp op Elementor add-ons advanced menu.php. So there is two option. You can fix these thing via go to advanced menu.php inside plugin and fix this thing. And if you and one other thing, you can wait and wait for some time, like at here this plugin, wait for updation of this plugin, advanced menu.php wp Elementor add-ons. So wait for update of this plugin so that they can fix, and you can use this element, this add-on. So in the meantime you can deactivate this add-on, and now you can see our fatal error gone. And now I can see I can update anything in the Elementor. So there is now this loading issue fixed, and if you want to solve this fatal error, and then please put some comment in the comment section, so that I can make separate video for that, because everyone do not have this add-on. So but I show you how can fix these type of issue. And now if this video help you get Elementor working again, drop a thumbs up in the comment, hit like, and do not forget to subscribe. More easy WordPress solution on the way. Thanks for watching.